In less than an hour, you can upgrade an old system with volume controls to the latest in audio performance. Replacing old volume controls with a VAIL Cast is quick and easy. Let's see how it's done. The secret is that all the wiring you will need already exists in the old system. The old speaker wires from the volume control get connected to the VAIL Cast. The existing wires from the receiver will now provide low-voltage power to the VAIL Cast. To start the swap out, remove old volume controls and disconnect wires. Then remove the old mud ring or box. Mark and cut the hole to fit a 2-gang low-voltage ring. We recommend the Arlington LV-2. Install the low-voltage mounting ring and connect the VAIL Cast following the instructions included with the VAIL Cast. This is how you will be using the old wires. The wires to the speakers will be connected to the VAIL Cast. One of the speaker wire pairs from the amplifier is now used to bring the low-voltage power to the VAIL Cast. Don't worry, this part of the power is low voltage and okay to run in the wall. The VAIL Cast power supply is located where the old amplifier or receiver was located and is plugged into an outlet at that location. Of course, you will want to replace the old speakers with new TDG audio speakers, which conform to almost all standard cutouts, so they should be easy to swap out as well. Remember, the VAIL Cast can power up to 4 speakers, and you can stream directly from your favorite streaming app.
VAIL Cast. Whole home audio should be this easy.